bim, 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 bim. Mm. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you some fidget spinner tricks. So I'm gonna put them through here. Okay, ready? So first is like the easy one. There's this one. Second one. This is the second one. This is the toe one. Here, I'll redo it for you guys. So you guys can see, because some people in my friends, my friend Diamond, she thinks this is fake, but hold up. Okay, third one. This one is pretty easy. It's the knee one. I think fourth one. Fifth one. Okay, this is the fifth and I think sixth one. Easy. But this one kind of isn't. That's middle finger. I know it's pretty dumb, but this is the longest I've ever gotten. Dang it. Dang it. Whoa! That did not sound good. Guys, that did not sound good. It sounded like it fell apart. Crap. That couldn't have been a big fall. Oh my gosh, guys, let me see. Oh, it's okay, guys. Guys, look, it's okay still. And nothing's falling out or anything, which is good. Okay, let's keep doing the tricks. Sorry about that, guys. Let me try to do it with this finger. So, here's. Oh, thank gosh, it landed on a pillow. I don't really know if I could do it. Okay, pinky. I bet you it's not even letting me. That's a pinky. Okay. And now it's time for the pointer. Dude. Okay. There, let me do something. Spin around and around. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Oh, yeah, the last one is elbow. So I'm going to give you guys a challenge to put it on your elbow for 20 seconds. So let's go ahead and go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoop. Okay, should I do this again? Ah, my screw was about to come off. Okay. Watch. Okay, it's better off this hand. I'm giving it. Ah! Oh! Okay, So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below if I should keep doing fidget spinner things and show you some awesome tricks or show you how to do the awesome tricks. Or yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye. Oh wait, before I... Oh, by the way, and if you do that 20-second thing, if you like and subscribe, you are part of my puppies, and that's my new thing. You're a part of my puppies. And, why are all these like chocolate chips on my frickin' slime thingy? This is not like the fluffy slime me and my friend Madison are gonna make, a living lollipop. Here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoys. Good puppy, bye. See ya!